In this video, I'm going to show you how to make form field required in Airtable. So in here, after successfully accessing the homepage of your Airtable account, what we're going to do is we're going to simply navigate on the base where the form is located, and we would like to make a specific section in there required. So let's see, for this video, we'll be utilizing accounting base in here. Now, once you click this will then open up the tables that you have created to monitor this database. Now, since we're talking about fields in the form, we go here on the top of the page, on the menu navigation of the tabs in here, we go to forms. And in forms, this will then display you the complete list of forms that you have inside your base in here. Now, we have here this form, item sold form test, and we have various sections in here. We have name of customer, item, day 1 and day 2. Let's say that we're going to make name of customer required. What we're going to do is we're going to simply click the section that you selected or the field that you have selected. Then you scroll down in here. Then under rules, on the right side of the screen, you can see required field value. You simply enable this one. And now this section is now required, which means that the user or the subjects cannot click submit if they haven't answered or input anything on the name of customer. Let's also do that to item in here, required field. And after making things required in here, you simply click publish. And now, as you can see, we have now the required mark for this specific sections. And that's about it. That's how to make form field required in Airtable. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.